Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. Look what I've got. Got an unboxing for you. I have been looking for this guy at a good price for I don't know how long. And I'm actually kind of bummed because originally I started collecting these Creatable World dolls because I wanted their clothes and shoes and stuff for my Blythe dolls. But now I really like these dolls. I think they're really cool, and I don't think they're making them anymore, and the prices on these can really fluctuate a lot. Lately, since I got this guy, which was a while ago, he's been waiting around for me to open him up and enjoy him, and since I bought this guy, which was a while ago, he's been waiting around for me to get to open up the box here and get him out. These dolls have gotten kind of crazy priced, which I don't like. So, anywho, let's get this guy out. Okay, here are some of the other ones. Yeah, I'd like to kind of really get them all. I like these guys. Alright, so, here we go. We have him in the middle. And if he wants to be a girl, he's got a long wig hairdo thing. Usually the wigs are not my favorite. I don't even know if I've been keeping them, honestly. If I have them, I'm not sure where they're at. But, alright, so, oh, it's taped here. It's taped on the side. Taped here. Taped here. I actually have some of these pieces, but like I said, now I like the doll itself, not just the clothing. And I found him, I can't remember now what I got him for, but I remember I got him at a really good price. So let's get him out, and then we'll take a look at look how dark his skin is, really. Oh, nice, pretty color. Yeah. Nice doll. These dolls, they have really good articulation. I like their bodies. I've actually got one as a boy Blythe that I need to fix because the head just wobbles too much. But I like the bods on these. I really like these dolls. They have even in the ankle articulation too. So. Ooh, there you go. He's been in there a while. Oh. And let's take a look at his face. Yes, very dark. I think he's the darkest one they have. In fact, I don't know if they have anybody else. They have different skin tones, so. Alright, so there's that guy. Let's look at his clothes and his. Well, let's take a look at this. Like I said, they're just the qualities, you know, which you can expect. These are supposed to be dolls that you play with. They're not meant to be collectible dolls. But, because this is just like plastic here. And, does it even, what's the top and the, okay, maybe this is the top. Oh, actually that doesn't fit too. I would say out of all of them, his wig's probably the nicest. Because the other ones you can really see the edge, and his you don't really see the edge as much. I mean, you can, if you do, but you can pull the hair down. So if I wanted him to have longer hair or be a girl or whatever, that was the idea behind these dolls initially, I understand. That's actually not too bad. Yeah, stays on pretty well too. But I like the shorter hair. I like him like he is. Alright, so let's check out what we got. Look at all that hair he lost. Okay, so let's check out the clothes. Again, another thing I like about the packaging is like it's just in there. There's none of those dang tabby things, Mattel. Not to mention anybody. But they're not stuck in there with little plastic pieces. So he's got these little shorts. Obviously, these would fit Rainbow High, I bet, Blythe, etc. I will do a follow-up video where I try on the clothes on different dolls. I do that a lot on this channel. So we'll see. But I can pretty much, this is probably pull-up, could wear this. These shoes are just the bomb. I love, 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 love these shoes. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, let's move you over here. Let's move your hair over here. All right, so we've got these amazing shoes. These, this whole thing kind of gives me a little bit of a 70s vibe here, but all right, so these jeans are excellent. They have really good jean quality, and these do typically fit Blythe. So I really like these. Are kind of faded, really cool looking. I like those. I have this shirt already, but I don't mind it another one. Cute. And what I like about these clothes too is, I mean, if you do have some boy Blythe dolls, oops, you know, you have some clothes for them. All right, let's see. These are some sandals here. These are interesting. Huh, I haven't had any like these before. These are cute. I like these. Nice shoes. Yeah, I mean, even, you know, these range, I've seen them as low as like in the $12-ish, $15, all the way up to like 30. But when you think about the fact that you get a doll and shoes and clothes and everything, I mean, I think there's a lot of value. But of course, I'm always looking for a bargain, so I want the $15. I don't want the $30 price. But these are cute. We're curious to see who those fit. All right, sunglasses, which are not going to fit Blythe, but they probably would fit Barbie for sure. Let's put some sunglasses on this guy. There we go. Purple shades. They fit him really well. All right. Oh, and then of course this hat. This hat. Cute hat. We'll put a hat on him. I will clothe him. They always come, they either come in like this white underwear set or a black underwear set. But again, these are nice. You can mix and match. You know, you could wear this shirt with the jeans, etc. So, all right. Here is a. Here is this cute skirt. Oh, look how it's. I didn't realize that. Oh, look, it's unfinished on the bottom. This is cute. I like this. And then it's got this faux look, like it looks like it was a pair of pants that somebody turned into a skirt. That is clever. That is clever, people. I like it. All right, now this bomber jacket, seriously. Oh my gosh. And it's lined. Huh. Now this is not a real zipper. It's not a working zipper, but typically you wouldn't zip these up anyway. And it's faux leather. This is nice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do a dress up with this outfit. All right, let's check out these tennis shoes. These are nice. These are some nice shoes. Cool beans. High tops. I like how they're purple on the bottom and then like turquoise with the white. Those are really nice. And then this adorable t-shirt. Super cute. Super cutie patooties. All right, so even though Blythe is probably going to steal a lot of these clothes or Rainbow High, I'm going to go ahead and put him in an outfit. He's not going to just wear his underwear. So hold on. All right, I'm back. He's got one outfit on. I think he looks so cool. I really like this doll. Crap. I'm supposed to steal your clothes, man. But I like you. But yeah, look at him. All right, so yeah, this little outfit, I just left his little white t-shirt, his undershirt on, put on his jeans, added these cool high tops. He's got his sunglasses on, bomber jacket, and his little knit cap. Still have some 2 pairs of shorts, a skirt, a top, another top, a couple pairs of shoes, and of course this, you know, the wig. So yeah, I think, you know, really considering everything that comes in these, I really wish they were still making these. I'm not sure what happened. If anybody knows the story about why Creatable World dolls seem to kind of have fizzled out, let me know. But yeah, and keep an eye on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, give me thumbs up, all that good stuff. I will be doing a follow-up where I try on these clothes with another couple of dolls, different types of dolls. And in fact, I have another Creatable World doll that I'm going to also open on this channel very soon. All right, have a nice dolly day. Bye-bye.